What's a meniscectomy? What's a meniscus repair? So you might have heard about this, and if you're having these problems in your knee joint, find out. So your meniscus is a very important part of your knee joint. In between the bones, it allows for load transmission across the knee joint, and it spreads the forces over a bigger area. Typically, meniscectomy essentially means that we trim the meniscus or remove a torn portion of the meniscus. It is something which is preferred when the tear is in the inner portion of the meniscus, which has a poor blood supply. If a meniscectomy is done in bigger tears where it's involving the outer zones of the meniscus, then it can lead to increased load on the cartilage and wear and tear. So for that reason, for bigger tears of the meniscus in younger individuals, a meniscus repair is preferred, where we repair the meniscus back, allowing the biological function of the meniscus and giving you a better long-term result.